From humble origins in a garage under the Elevated in Brooklyn, New York, Filtrine was founded by a druggist in 1901, and since then has outgrown plants in Waldwick, New Jersey, and Harrisville, New Hampshire, before settling in scenic but bustling Keene.
People often ask me, what is Filtrine? The name itself was trademarked by our founder, George Nooper, who in 1901 invented a new filter medium that clarifies water by molecular attraction. He called this new medium Filtrine. And soon Mr. Nooper's filters were being installed in some of the new high-rise office buildings in Manhattan and other cities across the country. In 1918, my great-grandfather, Charles Hansel, a sheep shearer turned civil engineer, recognizing Filtrine's potential, bought the company, and it has remained in the Hansel family for the past 100 years. Since then, while our product line has grown to include chillers and drinking fountain equipment, we have stuck to the same goal of constantly innovating to make our world better. Custom building our products in the U.S. using craftsmanship hewn over time, we strive to fit our equipment to the customer's needs and not the other way around.
In the mid-1920s, Filtrine created the first water container filling station called the Old Oaken Barrel. It used Nooper's filter named the K system, purifying city water for office buildings and using ice for chilling.
Not to rest on its laurels, Filtrine in 1925 invented the storage method of cooling. Filtrine continues to be the top supplier of chillers for ingredient mixers, medical equipment, and industrial, scientific, and environmentally challenging applications.
In the 1950s, Filtrine saw the opportunity to expand the chilling and purifying of city water by getting into drinking water dispensing. As an alternative to the old-style porcelain fountain, Filtrine began building fountains in stainless steel for food service applications. Then Filtrine expanded the line with fountains made of bronze, marble, and more for other applications from office buildings to museums.
We continue to be focused on problem solving, which means being agile and bold in our design process and integrating the latest and most sustainable technologies in our products. With every customized order that rolls through our shop, we strive to move the whole industry forward.
With our newest rooftop solar array installed in the fall of 2019, Filtrine Manufacturing Company powers the entire building with solar energy. The 793.1 kilowatt array includes 2,234 solar panels that can generate over 900 megawatt hours of electricity per year.
Of course, we wouldn't be here without our customers' support. Many come back to us year after year to buy our products because of the quality and durability. We look forward to having you as part of our Filtrine family and to provide the best drinking water, process chilling systems, and water purification equipment to you for another 100 years.